Eddie the Elephant's Big Adventure. Eddie the Elephant, a curious and mischievous elephant, was known for being a little too relaxed about time. One sunny morning, he woke up late again. His alarm clock had been snoozing along with him, and now he was running late for the big animal parade. Eddie knew he couldn't leave without breakfast, so he decided to make himself a quick snack. But being an elephant with a tiny kitchen made everything wobble. Plates, cups, and even his pancake mix were balancing on his trunk. After the breakfast mishap, Eddie grabbed his hat and raced out the door. But being a little too excited, he tripped over a rock and went rolling down a hill, creating a cloud of dust as he went, picking up various forest objects along the way. Eddie's rolling finally stopped when he crashed into the parade. All the animals were dressed in colorful costumes, and now Eddie was covered in flowers and branches, looking like part of the parade float. Despite the chaos, the animals loved Eddie's impromptu entrance. They cheered and invited him to lead the parade. With a bashful smile, Eddie happily danced in front, twirling his trunk like a baton. The parade ended with a huge celebration, and Eddie was crowned the Parade King. They gave him a crown made of bananas and a cape of leaves. He waved happily at all his new friends, excited for his next adventure.